Pineapple.
Pineapple. Pineapple. Pineapple.
Pineapple.
Pineapple. Pineapple, mama.
Orange.
Orange. You want orange. You want pineapple. You want Oreos. You want bread. What else? Hi friends, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. We're in the kitchen making breakfast. I've been up early this morning and just finished getting my hair washed and done because it was scratching me so bad I couldn't last another minute without washing my hair. And I know if I didn't wash it, my face would break out any minute. Yes? Yes, Tyler? What happened? What's wrong? Go look what Tyler do.
Hey, qu'est-ce que tu fais? Puzzle? Oui.
You doing puzzle? Say good morning to the fans.
Tyler?
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Babu.
Oui, good
Good
job.
morning, fans.
Morning, fans.
How are you?
Are you?
He's gone about his business. He's gone about his business, you guys.
Hi guys. Yeah, so Tyler is up. Since Tyler is up, he just want to do puzzle, he just want to do numbers. This kid is something else.
Dave decided that he want pancakes. So he started and now I'm jumping in to make it go faster to finish up. But yeah, what were you gonna say?
Nothing.
So we have some errands to go run today because we didn't run our Friday errands and stuff like that. So we're gonna have breakfast, head out on the road. Make sure you guys have a wonderful day. Enjoy your weekend because we're gonna enjoy ours.
Enjoying?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And Tyler eating is...
Pancake.
Damn guys, this is what a house with a kid looks like.
Toys everywhere.
Oh yeah. C'est bon? You having some syrup here and you put your pancake in the syrup?
So you guys were all set and ready to go. I redid over the side of my hair. Tyler is so ready right now. We are heading out, going on the road as usual. Tyler, you want your hat? What? Let me put it. What? Look at my boy. Wow. Shampoo. Yeah, you're cute. Yours. Nice. Yeah. You wanted your hat? Alright, let's go. Go with your cute self. He wanted his hat. What is that? I don't understand what you're saying. What do you want? We're going to the car. To the pool. No, it's winter now. You can't go to the pool. You want to go to the pool? No. Oh. Babies, you make him think we're going to the pool. But Jesus. Tell her we cannot go to the pool now. We only go to the pool in summer. That's Papa's fault, not mine. You better fix it. Fix it.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it down. That's okay. You need to understand.
Yes, we're going to the pool in summer, not now. Let's go.
What you?
You have jacket for him?
No.
Behind you.
Which one you want me to take?
Anyone? Let's go. And worse him have on him hat, he thinks he's going to the pool.
Your fault.
How is it my fault? Why am I getting the blame? That's babe's fault. Take up the umbrella, tell I think we're going to the pool. Go baby, go. Press the elevator. Tell her. Go Tyler, go. I can't believe Tyler thinks we're going to the pool. Babe, you know that's your fault?
I know.
Babe, bringing the umbrella down to the storage. So Tyler thinks we're going to the pool. I didn't even know you would remember about pool. When you have a smart kid. You're always singing this song. So you guys, we finished the fruits and vegetable store and we're at the grocery supermarket, and I'm looking for these chocolate special thing that they do in France every year, which I'm at right now. This one is the Kinder. So what they do is that it have 24 chocolate in it, and the kids get to pick one each day until Christmas. So that's the Kinder, that's the Minions. So it have a number straight up to 24. So that's the one. So each day they get to open a window until Christmas Day. It's like it's called like my calendar before Christmas. And they have the Peppa Pig. You want this one? You want one of this one? You want this one? So I'm trying to see which one I'm to get for Tyler before Christmas. Come Tyler. And this one is the Christmas. See, they have the Christmas one. Come, see Papa down here. So see Papa there. Go to Papa. See Papa here. Papa down here. So come, see me here. Tyler, see Papa here. Tyler, look. Papa down there. See him there? Chocolate heaven. You pick up this Minion, it's just €2.
That's what I like. Yeah.
You like this? I think I like the chocolate when they're brown, this
they're
color.
all the same. This one is
That's the ones I like. How much for this? All this aisle is chocolate. Chocolate. All these are chocolate. All around. Look at that. Chocolate. You can pick, choose, refuse, honey. Crazy. Tyler chose the Minions, so he's gonna stick to the Minions for now. Come baby, let's go. Come on. Give it to Papa. Give the Minions to Papa.
Merci.
Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh, that was a task. Shopping is done. I guess because it's I'm trying to find a good lighting for you guys. I guess because it's coming up to the holidays, it's so much more people out. There's so much more people shopping and stuff like that. But we did fruits and vegetable supermarket, we did grocery supermarket, and now Babe and Tyler has actually gone into McDonald's to get fries for Tyler. Hey faves, we have been home for a while now and just chilling and having some family time, resting up basically. I'm also cooking in the kitchen. I'm making, can you guess what I'm making? Comment down below and tell me if you guess what I'm making. You guessed? If you said slow cooked chicken for the win. Yes, I'm slow cooked chicken. and I really don't know what we're gonna eat that with. I'm in the kitchen trying to figure out what do I feel for, and then try to prepare something for the family around that. Babe doesn't know what he feels for either. So pineapple. Pineapple. Pineapple.
Pineapple.
She's wanting pineapple. That's what you want?
Pineapple.
No, no pineapple now, because you're going to have dinner soon, okay? You have pineapple tomorrow. Tomorrow for pineapple? Okay. Tyler? No. Pineapple tomorrow. And he loves croissants, so we also got him some croissants today, and he already ate half of one. You love croissants? Tyler had an accident today. Look in his forehead. You guys seen Tyler's forehead? He was going in the car. Babe was putting him in the car, and he walked directly into the car door and bloops right in his forehead, and it's already so big. No, no more chocolate. No, no, no. Put it back, please, and close the door. Close it. No more chocolate until tomorrow. Okay? No Oreo, it's dinner time. Can you close it, please, and get ready for dinner? Thank you. Good boy. Bravo. You're going to let everybody see you crying for Oreo? Don't be sad. What a faker. You're such a fake. Oreo, 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 Oreo. Do the Oreo dance. Hey, do the Oreo dance. Do the Oreo dance. Oreo, 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 Oreo. You want bread too? You want Oreo, you want bread, you want pineapple, want. You want everything. Pineapple mama, Oreo mama, bread mama, pineapple, 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 Oreo, pineapple, Oreo, pineapple, pineapple, Oreo, pineapple, Oreo. Look at his forehead. That's where he got the hit today.
Pineapple.
Pineapple. Pineapple, pineapple,
Pineapple.
Pineapple, mama.
Orange.
Orange. You want orange. You want pineapple. You want Oreos. You want bread. What else? What else? What else do you want? You want chicken over there? Chicken scooping. Chicken. Chicken. And you want pizza. And you want juice. And you want chocolate. You want everything. You just want everything now that you can talk. No, no chocolate. Chocolate is chocolate.
32.
32. Where you see 32? You want me to drop your Alright, run out of the kitchen. Out of the kitchen. Can you tell Faves tomorrow?
No.
I'm telling them tomorrow. You giving them bisou? Give them bisou. Mwah. Thank you. Good job. Hey guys, Tyler is heading off to bed, but we're just ending the vlog just before we put him to bed right now. We had such a busy day, especially the afternoon. Look at this kid. The house was a mess, an absolute mess. Ty.
Usually we do that on a Sunday, so me and tomorrow will be free to do something.
So babe and I cleaned the house from top to bottom. Kitchen everywhere is all clean. Ty! So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys the Jamaican expression, and Babe's going to give you the French expression for today. Me blouse and skirt. Ty! So in excitement, we use that expression. If somebody says something exciting, or you see something exciting, you're just gonna hear somebody shout out, "Me blouse and skirt." They won't say blouse and skirt. They're gonna say, "Me blouse and skirt."
Me blouse and skirt.
Yes, it literally means your blouse and your skirt.
Me blouse and skirt.
Yeah.
Okay.
The French expression or word for today.
It's gonna be a word today. It's gonna be a word. Attention. No, that's not the word. Well, attention can be the word.
Since Tyler is giving it, Tyler give the expression
give the
today.
French word. Attention. Attention is just like
be careful.
Be careful. Caution and yeah.
So he knows what he's doing
Because
just now is wrong. So he's saying attention.
You come on me and you say attention.
This kid is something else.
So Tyler say it, Tyler, attention. So Tyler give the French word for today.
So there you guys have the French word, which is attention, and the Jamaican expression, which is
Me blouse and skirt.
me blouse and skirt.
Me blouse and skirt.
Right. Alright, you guys, we're just going to end the vlog here and tell you guys thanks for watching. We appreciate every one of you. Tyler said, say comment, like, subscribe, catch up. Catch up and keep up, you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Who's this excited boy?
Tyler said tomorrow.
He's not ready to go to bed.